This is the calendar schedule instruction video. With this app you can define template calendar days with activities and tasks, and then assign those days to the calendar application on your device. It works like this. First you define activities. This could be your morning routine or to go to the gym or anything you like. You then use those activities to define your days, and then you assign those days to the calendar. This way you can quickly create detailed plans and schedules for weeks and months. The activities are synced to your device calendar, so you will receive notifications that way. And this calendar also syncs to your smartwatch. When we first start the app, we see our schedule. Now this is empty because we haven't added anything yet. So to get started, let's assign a template for today. We go to Edit Day mode. A couple of templates come with the app to help you get started. So let's say that today is a work day and we apply that template. This adds a couple of activities to our list. So we have a morning routine, we work all day, and we have some things that we want to do in the evening. If we go back, we can see that work day has been applied and we can check some of the tasks. And if we open our device calendar app, we can see that the activities have been added here as well. And the two of the tasks have been marked as checked. Let's take a look at the templates. There are templates for activities, days, and weeks. So these are the default activities that come with the app. You can edit or remove those, and you can add your own. So let's say we want to change the morning one. Maybe we don't need a reminder to bring a work ID, so we remove that task. And we change the time to something nicer like 6:30. Moving on to the days. These are the default days that come with the app. Let's create a new one. So this will be our typical Tuesday. And here we can create a new activity or we can load a template. So let's add the morning one that we just edited. Now let's add a few more. Let's say we want to exercise in the afternoon. And let's add a little evening routine as well. Looks good. So this would be our new typical Tuesday routine that we can start adding to the calendar. And the week templates are pretty much the same. We have a week here. Let's take a look at the work week that comes with the app. Here we can define what days to use for the weekdays. So let's update Tuesday with our new Tuesday. If we go to the assign page from the menu like this, we see this calendar month view. And we see that the 14th has been filled. That's because we assigned a day to it. If we tap it, we can tell what day it is. And from here, we can quickly assign days and weeks to our calendar. So to assign a week, we tap the week button. We tap the week menu and we select the week we want. We also need to choose the date range in the calendar and press assign week. And now our whole week has been filled with the days that are defined for that week. We could also choose to assign a day. If we choose a day here, let's work day. And we select another week, press assign day. Now that single day has been assigned to every day of that week. We can also assign an activity. This will assign a single activity to every day of the selected week. As an example, let's say your doctor tells you to take medicine every day for a week. We can create an activity for that and assign it for the coming week. So if we select this week, we have an activity called take medicine and we assign that activity. Now this has not removed the existing days that were added. It only adds the new activity to the things that were already there. And if we want to clear a day, we use the clear selected from the bottom. You can also view statistics to see how well you have checked and completed tasks over time. This gives you a quick overview. The last thing I want to show is in the settings menu. There is a calendar management section here. The idea behind this is that you can create schedules for other people and share them. This only works between iOS devices as far as I know. Let's say you have a child called Lisa that you want to remind her that what to bring to school on different days of the week, and you want to help her set aside time for homework in the afternoon. What you do is you create a new calendar, and you fill this calendar with Lisa's activities. Make sure that Lisa's calendar is active. We can now start assigning days and activities to her calendar. And when you're done, you can go to the iOS calendar app and tap Calendars at the bottom. Sorry, this is in Swedish. You locate Lisa's calendar from the list and uncheck it so you don't receive her reminders yourself. Then press the I, and here you share this calendar with Lisa. So you add the email for her iOS account. Lisa will now have to accept the invitation on her end. And that's it. She will now receive all the activity reminders you have set up for her. And if she installs the Calendar Schedule app, she can start checking tasks and adding and editing stuff as well. I hope you find this app useful. You can check out my other apps from the links in the description, and thank you very much for watching.